Good day, welcome to multi-net design in the continuation for a new design that we are working on. So in the last episode we start exterior working, as in start building an aesthetic value for this. So let's go to 3D and see the whole thing we're looking at. So this is how far it looks for now. So now what I want to do here today is to complete this area. So I'm going to face this side and the other side and put what is supposed to be there before I complete the whole elevation for that. Then I proceed to do the final aspect. So now let's go. So I'm going to go to west elevation. Okay, now I want to create the archway around this space. So I'm going to create a advertisement around the archway. So just go to say model in place, go to placement, and extrusion is okay, depends on you. But if you don't want extrusion as well, you can decide. Now depends on what you are doing. So like this one, this is the part that leads to first floor. So it's repeated here, and it's only at the last floor that we don't have anything there. So let's say extrusion. So we say pick. So I will search for the plane, reference plane, and after this is now it's a reference plane because it has already selected the aspect. So I'm going to pick. I will select here like this. So I'm going to bring this one into. I can only use level. This level. I can only use that level. So after which I finish with that level, so I'm going to say finish. So what do we have? I have a double layer issue, so I'm going to do that again by now this time around. Now I will now say offset by saying 4. I say 300. Let's say 150. So I'm going to do that. Good. So inside I'm going to say -50. So let me have -50 within. So for the -15, I will select this. So when I have it now, I will delete all the inner line. Understand? So you delete all the inner line to project something secure with that part for you. So you click finish. So from there, if you finish like that, you can now copy this one. You don't need to check it's not, I don't think it's that necessary for now. So from there now you like select by edit, select it now, just say edit. What is going on? So edit this one. What you just need to do is to move this one to this part. So it's not over. You can just adjust this one a little bit down. Then what you need, key upon it by trimming everything. So as you trim now, you have them in space. So as you have them in space like that, so that is how you get what you need to just. Then you click finish and join them together later on. So what we do, go back to 3D and go and see what we created. So is it yes, if that is okay by you align it to the wall. So you understand, by going to level 2. On the level 2, when you have it now, you just say select. So because one part of it is just, another one is it's not in the right place. So remove this one and along with that. So now come to level 3. You do the same process for this as well. So move, and then you align like that. And this will stay. This will stay. So from there, or you can just like select them one after the other and let them go. So click finish, then go to 3D. In the 3D aspect, you are seeing what we have created, which is this. So I think if you like this one, we proceed. So let's quickly go and do the flower pot around this place. So this flower aspect is going to help out in a different way. So that's what we're going to do. So that's what we're going to do. We select that, which is this. So let's go and say pick. So you select the components for yourself. So the family. No, sorry. Select a component from here. So you like pick anyone that suits you. Among the one that you have created, maybe this one is okay. If it's not, then edit it. So you reduce the size to 1002. So I'm going to use go to edit appearance and change it. Reading appearance and change to the one that suits me. Let me just use Colorado sponge. So I'm going to use that. I'll start with placing it here. Now I don't mirror. I've said it before, don't mirror any flower, any what's it called you are making, any plant you are creating, because the rendering will never recognize your mirror part. So always copy and paste. So that is the best way to do. So then what you need to do, then move on. So once you have done with this, do the same thing again, all of them. So now you can now go to 3D and go and see what you have created. This part of the process of adjusting the elevation. So this is it. So you have this in place, and then whatever else you need to do, you just need to just make a calculative idea and bring them to BRS understanding. So like this one now, can mirror that and come and paste them. But I'm not going to do that. So you do that on your own. So assignments for learning. So that is it. Now I think with the education I can. So now if you, let's say you now want to brand it for, if you have not seen that before, it's another way you do this and say hide the elements, just hide the category. When you hide all the category, everything is going to float. So what you do, you just change the graphics so that you make more presentation. So you change the graphics here now and say background. First you change the background to gradient. You can add the image to your choice, but I always love gradient. So I adjust this sky to be something of a little bit. So horizon, do the horizon like that, and let's just say if you can imagine. So this one is a little bit, adds more beauty to what you have created. So you can adjust the lighting aspect as well. The shadow is too thick, and reduce the shadow and say so the sun setting, you can reduce it and say you should add like that. So things, if you want it to be more brighter, you can hide it, add more to it, and change the section of the light from here as well as part of the process of adjusting. So all these are the values you must adjust whenever you are working in. So let's say like that, you see, you can imagine that you are seeing the configuration and the look of this. So you just like bringing something suitable to what you are creating. So you can just see like that and see. So now you can adjust shadow, then the sun, reduce it so that it will fit in. So that's how you do, and that's how you work realistic, effectively, and so on and so forth. So you have built yourself what is needed, what is necessary. So you can just like remove this. So you use the same particle around the whole thing. So from there, click and drag to whatever you want to drag. So this one will give you a lot of confidence of what you are creating, and as well do useful. So these are the things that you must just pay attention to. At the same time, you can bring your own personal image to this ground and be making use, but I'm not going to teach you on this particular episode. So for this is the critical episode that we have worked on. I've seen the perspective aspect of what you need to do. So if you do all these things, it's a blessing to you that you can send to your client the way Depends on how detailed you want to go about it. So this is the plan. So let me quickly touch some of the area that we do not work on. At least there are so much access here now, so I don't have window here. Let me quickly copy this one. If you wonder, is it a long window I want to copy? Yes, there is a technology we use now that we use to cover the window, but somebody might be in the toilet and you do not even know that it's temporarily there from outside, even when there's light. So those are the things that come in the apartment. So just have window where you're supposed to have window for proper presentation. So that one I'm not going to do tutorial on it for now. So go to level 1 and 2 and want to see what is there. I think this side is set to only this side. So now we have room here, but we do not have entrance to the toilet. So we just get the entrance to that place of this entrance to this place as well. So this is the study to have their own front. So we remove this one. So we don't know that we have what it's supposed to have. So that's one. So what is the next thing you focus your attention on? This one. So after that you have done this, you look around. So everything is in the perfect order. But how do I access this terrace? I need to bring the door around it. So I'm going to say it. Then the door is going to be here. I think I've done that. So the same thing, I'm going to have it. So you have it now. So I'm going to say that. I'm going to create door. That's it. So for that, I line to the side, and then the whole thing is so I'm going to click save, and then I'm done with what I need to do. That is it. So that's the result for today, and I think from this we'll see you in the next tutorial where we're going to continue to do more of what we have created. So that's just the education, the modeling aspect that we have built. You see the whole thing objectively. You can go around and see. So combine many things that we have learned on this channel to modify this as well. So it's going to be a beautiful decision to me. God bless you.